Well, bam. Wow. Wow. I still really surprised now. I just want to share this little happy moment for you all. Hi guys, it's me again. Surprise, surprise, I'm back. After my amazing trip to Da Nang with my family last week, I came back home and found two gifts waiting for me. Well, that sounds really exciting, right? They're from a nationwide event held by IOE. I think that all of you know that. It's a really popular and famous English learning platform. And guess what? Today, we're going to unbox them together. Here we go. The first one is from the Lucky Spin. Look at that. It's so cool. Well, actually, after completing all of the tasks, especially when sent the video, everyone got a chance to spin it. And oh, in that video, you can see that in the comments. At first, I thought it's just a joke and didn't expect to receive anything. But no, they actually sent me a gift. Well, it's a long story, but anyway, just open it first. Wow, do you see that? I think it's a really cool t-shirt. Alright, wait a minute. Let me see. Wow, that's cool. Bam. Alright. Well, it's look really cool. Wow. I think it's quite small for me, and my baby brother will love it. Oh, damn. Alright. And that the first one, it's super cool. Not bad for a lucky spin, right? Now, the second gift is something super special. Really special for me. Well, first, check it out. Alright. The second one, it's quite big. Yeah. It's look really cool. It's for being selected as one of the top 30 nationwide, chosen by the organizers. Let me see. Actually, I was in top 16 across all the country. Well, like, what? Didn't expect that at all. Anyway, I will try harder next time. I hope next time I can in top 10. Let's take a look inside. Well, okay, nani? Oh my god. Well, you see that? Just look at the box. It's super cool. Alright, just see that? I have a little bit. It's like a small box, isn't it? Let's look what's inside it. It's quite hard to open it. Alright. Bam. Wow. Wow. Didn't know what is that. What is it? Well, that's look really cool. I think that is a water bottle. Yeah, it's look really cool, really pretty. It's quite cute. Alright, I love it. And the second one is an umbrella. Okay, I think that's good. An umbrella, isn't it? Well, how can I see that? Mm-mm-mm. Well, you can see here is its logo. Bam. Yeah, I can open it now. That's look really cool. Yeah, and that's it. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. Take it off. So I got a t-shirt, an umbrella, and a really cool bottle water. Water bottle. Yes. So yeah, that's it. To be honest, I still really surprised now. I just want to share this little happy moment for you all. Oh, there's a one more. Wait a minute. Here it is. A little letters, I think. Let me see. Wow. Thanks to ILE and the organizers for this lovely gift. And the last one, thanks for your watching. Bye, and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Well.